Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest in tech solutions. Today, we're exploring the game changer in content creation and SEO, Fraser, an AI-powered tool. So, let's dive in. With the power of AI, machine learning, and natural language processing, Fraser interprets and analyzes content to optimize your SEO efforts, skyrocketing your search engine rankings. What makes Fraser an invaluable tool? Its top-notch features: AI writing, content generation, and article optimization. Fraser makes all of these super easy and highly efficient. Imagine generating high-quality, SEO-optimized content that drives organic traffic from Google. Sounds amazing, right? That's exactly what Fraser offers. What do the users say? Well, they praised Fraser for its effectiveness in creating SEO-friendly content and conducting exhaustive research. Users are raving about its user-friendly interface and how much time it saves in their content development process. Isn't that what we all want? More efficiency, less headache. But hey, don't just take my word for it. If you're curious about alternatives, there are other AI writing assistants out there. Take some time, compare features, pricing, and user reviews to find the best tool for your unique needs. But let's not forget, Fraser remains a powerful, AI-driven tool that supercharges content optimization and creation. It's a tremendous asset for content creators and SEO professionals alike. So, that's a wrap on Fraser. Remember, in the world of content creation, efficiency and optimization are key. And Fraser might just be the tool you need to unlock those doors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay savvy.